Hey there, welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, your go-to destination for all things natural health and wellness. Today, we're diving into a common yet often overlooked issue, jawbone pain. Jaw pain can be seriously uncomfortable and make it difficult to chew, talk, and even sleep. But before reaching for pain medication, give these 4 home remedies a try. They may be enough to ease your discomfort. What's causing this pain in the first place? There are a few possible culprits. Stress and teeth grinding often manifest as jaw pain. Arthritis and TMJ dysfunction can also contribute. Even a sinus infection can radiate pain into the jaw. No matter the cause, applying something cold to your jaw can offer fast relief. Ice packs, frozen vegetables wrapped in a towel, or even a cold compress work great. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes, several times a day to reduce inflammation. The cold temperature naturally cools down irritated nerves and muscles in the jaw for near instant relief. Heat can also relax tight, painful jaw muscles. Use a microwavable heat wrap or warm wet towel and apply to the sore areas for about 15 minutes as needed. The soothing warmth boosts blood flow to carry healing nutrients to the area for natural pain relief. Gently massaging the muscles around the jaw can make a difference too. Use your fingertips or knuckles to apply light pressure around the joints, cheekbones and sides of the face. This eases muscle tension that often contributes to jaw pain. Finally, pay attention to your oral health habits. Reduce teeth grinding by managing stress. Get enough magnesium and vitamin B from your diet or supplements to prevent cramping muscles. And if the pain persists, see your dentist to address the root issue directly. Cold therapy, applying something cold like ice packs, frozen vegetables, or a cold compress to the jaw area can help reduce inflammation and soothe irritated nerves and muscles causing pain. 1. Heat therapy, using something warm like a microwavable heat wrap or warm wet towel on the jaw muscles can boost blood flow and relax tight, painful muscles. 2. Massage, gently massaging the muscles around the jaw joint, cheekbones and sides of the face can ease muscle tension that leads to jaw pain. 3. Oral health/dietary adjustments, reducing teeth grinding, managing stress levels, getting enough magnesium and B vitamins, and seeing a dentist can help address causes of jaw pain and prevent it from recurring or worsening. The main premise is trying simple at-home remedies like alternated heat and cold, massage, and some lifestyle changes before resorting to medication for jaw pain relief. The remedies are easy to do yourself and work with the body's natural healing response for safer, natural pain management.